Okay everyone, so this is a video on this tool that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to test the Ford F-250 that I have and use this pressure tester. So before we get started with this review, please hit the like button and subscribe. I appreciate it. Hey, what's up everyone on YouTube? Hey, so I got this new tool right here, and this is a kit. So this kit, I got it from Amazon. I paid like around $89 in total, so maybe like 90 something with taxes. But anyways, I chose this tool right here. I wanted to try it out because it came with all these adapters, and of course it's got the vacuum tester, also the coolant refiller. Came with a pressure tester. These are the hoses that attach to this vacuum tester here. Also came with this adapter for universal purposes to put onto the reservoir. It also came with these radiator cap testers that work with these right here, these adapters. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 adapters. And 17, I believe. I didn't count that one. So I'm sure this would help me out with any kind of vehicle or most vehicles. It did work on the BMW X5 that I was working on, the 2013 model. And that was the 6-cylinder. And then it also comes with this. First of all, I thought this was a soap bubble maker. But it wasn't. Actually, it's a wrench, so that you can tighten up the adapters onto the reservoir. So that was pretty cool. But anyways, if you go to Harbor Freight sells a Maddox brand, and it's like 80 something dollars as well, kind of close to like $85, $86 with taxes. But it's just a vacuum tester and also the coolant refiller. But that's it. It's just a universal. So I found this on Amazon for about the same price with all these adapters. Now, to me, it worked out pretty good already. If you notice on my video with the BMW, it worked out. However, this hose was a little bit too short for me. So that was my complaint about it. Also, this little plastic piece area was loose. So not that this is okay, but it was actually like opening up, and the housing was kind of falling apart, so I had to put it back together. So it is cheaply made to a certain point, but if you're under a tight budget, and you need to get test the cooling system, this will help you out, make you some money, and then you can purchase something more better. So you'll see everything inside the case, which is pretty cool. For $89 with taxes, I thought that was an excellent price. So to me, this was worth it. It helped me out a lot, and I'm sure I can make some money with doing some coolant, system repairs. So I think this will help me out here, make me some money, and then eventually I'll buy something more nicer. But anyways, I'm gonna test out this this kit for y'all, and we'll try it out. We'll use the pressure tester to pressurize the cooling system on my truck and see how that works. And then you already saw this perform already on the BMW, so that worked out pretty good. So I thought this was the adapter that I needed, but it doesn't work. This is a little bit too small, so it was the red one. It took me 3 tries to try to figure out which adapter works best for this reservoir. So it's going to happen to everybody getting used to the tool, but it's working. So you can see now that's building up pressure. The pressure cap's up to 16 psi, and I might just go to like 18 probably. 16? I'll just go to 17. There we go. 17. So let's see if we have a leak. Okay, so it's been around 5 minutes, and I started noticing a leak right here at the thermostat housing. You can see it wet right there. So this pressure tester works pretty good, and it found a leak. I didn't know I had one. So this is notorious on the 5.4 liter Fords, 2 valves. This is a 99 F250, and so they tend to leak right there, causing a misfire. The water starts to drip down into the ignition coil down there in the spark plug hole, so it starts causing misfire problems. So I'm gonna have to take care of that. Do that in a little while. I'm not gonna show this on the video. Just want to demonstrate that this pressure tester works really well, especially for the price. Not bad at all. It's very slowly because it hasn't really dropped in the needle, but yet we see water coming out of the thermostat. So it's the only leak we found, and kind of odd. It did drop just a tad bit, but we can see that the water is leaking, or the coolant's leaking out of the thermostat housing, and I'll take care of that later. But so far, this tool works pretty good. Now we're going to release the pressure by pushing in the button. Pressure is released out of the cooling system, and now I can uncouple the adapter and remove the adapter. So if you're working on the F250 or any Ford with the 5.4 liter 2 valve, then more than likely this is the reservoir it's going to use, or at least on the F250s for sure, and 350s. This is the adapter you're going to use right here. So it's got a little O-ring or gasket on it to seal. So this tool was worth it for me. 85 bucks plus taxes was like a little bit like $92 from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But anyways, it does the job. It is a good tool for the cost. I think it worked out really well. It's not a snap-on tool, but it does the job, and return on investment is pretty good. I already had 2 jobs, a BMW X5 that I did some coolant repairs on it, and also just did a Toyota RAV4 on the same week. So those 2 jobs, I already paid for itself already. I got another job next week for 2014 Chevy Cruze. Got to replace the radiator, upper and lower radiator hoses. So anyways, I might do a video on that as well. But if y'all want me to, please put a comment down below, and I'll do my best to make that video. But definitely, this was worth it for me. So again, I'm not affiliated with anyone, just trying to help out the community. So hope this video helped you out. Hey everyone, don't forget, hit the like button for me, subscribe, and also write some comments down below. If you have any questions pertaining to a tool or what I'm doing with this tool on certain vehicles, let me know. I'll do my best to write back as soon as possible. I appreciate it for watching this video, so I hope this helped you out. See ya.